What if the moon, our silent guardian, suddenly began falling toward Earth?
The moon's gravity would pull at our oceans, creating tides unlike anything Earth has ever seen. Rising tides would swallow coastlines, while the planet's crust strains under the moon's relentless pull. The moon's approach would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions across the globe, reshaping landscapes in moments. Entire cities would be submerged and shattered as waves and quakes strike with unstoppable force. The moon's pull would warp our atmosphere, creating storms of unimaginable scale and lightning strikes across the globe. Earth's rotation would become unstable, while debris from both worlds swirls in orbit, turning day and night into a chaotic blur. Even the mightiest mountains would crumble as the moon's gravity tears the land apart and triggers unstoppable landslides. Volcanoes around the world would erupt violently, spewing ash and fire, turning day into a haze of smoke and devastation. Rising oceans and overflowing rivers would engulf cities, turning familiar landscapes into vast, unstoppable floods. The moon's relentless pull would twist our atmosphere into raging storms, hurricanes, and swirling tornadoes across the globe. Volcanic ash and debris would blot out the sun, plunging the planet into a shadowed, choking twilight. Tidal waves and earthquakes would combine, flooding coastlines and flattening cities in a catastrophic sweep. The sky itself would darken, filled with ash and smoke, plunging Earth into a dim, suffocating twilight. Humanity would scramble for survival, facing floods, collapsing buildings, and skies darkened by ash and smoke. Rivers and lakes would overflow, merging with the oceans to create a global flood unlike anything in history. Volcanic eruptions would meet rising floods, sending lava, ash, and steam surging across the planet in unstoppable waves. From space, the scale of devastation is staggering. Continents shift, oceans rise. At night, the destruction becomes more surreal. Fires, lightning, and ocean reflections turn cities into a hellish panorama. Inland cities would face a relentless combination of floods, earthquakes, and fires, leaving devastation in every street and alley.
When rivers break through dams, the resulting mega floods would obliterate everything in their path, leaving landscapes unrecognizable.
Where lava meets floodwaters, scalding steam and explosions would erupt, turning already devastated lands into chaotic infernos.
From space, Earth is unrecognizable. Continents crack, oceans swell.
Coastal megacities would be utterly submerged, as waves and earthquakes combine to erase everything in their path. Even remote mountain ranges would crumble, sending landslides and debris crashing into rivers and valleys below.
Volcanoes would erupt into rising floods, sending molten lava and steam surging into cities already submerged.
From orbit, Earth is in chaos. Continents bend, oceans swell, storms intensify. Mega tsunamis would strike coastlines across the globe simultaneously, obliterating cities and reshaping continents. Coastal regions would face simultaneous floods and volcanic eruptions, sending steam, lava, and debris surging through collapsing cities.
From space, the planet, continents submerged.
Mountains would collapse, sending landslides and debris into rivers, compounding floods and chaos across continents. Megastorms would engulf continents, with lightning, wind, and rain wreaking havoc across already devastated landscapes. Inland cities would drown as rivers overflow, carrying debris and destruction through already battered streets. Oceans would bulge toward the moon, sending mega tidal waves surging across coastlines and reshaping continents. From orbit, Earth is a planet of destruction. Floods, volcanoes, and storms. Mountains would collapse, sending torrents of rock and mud into rivers, magnifying floods and destruction across continents. Megastorms would engulf entire continents, with lightning, wind, and rain intensifying the devastation already wrought by floods and eruptions. Volcanic ash would shroud the skies, blocking sunlight and plunging Earth into a dim, suffocating twilight.
Inland cities would be devastated by floods, earthquakes, and fires, leaving destruction across multiple regions simultaneously.
Oceans would surge toward the moon, flooding coastlines and submerging cities in unstoppable waves across continents.
Volcanoes would erupt into flooded regions, sending molten lava and explosive steam through already devastated landscapes.
From orbit, Earth is a planet of chaos, with floods, eruptions, and storms ravaging continents under the moon's immense gravity.
Mega tsunamis would strike coastlines across continents simultaneously, sweeping away cities and reshaping landscapes.
Inland earthquakes would trigger landslides and fissures, sending debris into floodwaters and amplifying devastation across regions.
Coastal cities would be engulfed by mega tsunamis and erupting lava, with steam explosions consuming everything in their path.
Inland rivers would burst their banks, flooding cities already torn by earthquakes and fires, leaving complete devastation in their wake.
Global tidal surges would reshape coastlines, swallowing cities and altering continents under the moon's relentless pull.
Volcanoes erupting into flooded valleys would unleash molten devastation and explosive steam, consuming towns and rivers alike. Megastorms would sweep across continents, intensifying floods, carrying debris, and striking with lightning over devastated lands.
Earth would be forever transformed, a shattered world of fire, water, and ash under the looming presence of the moon.